Hi, and welcome to another Make With Me Tuesday. Today I'm going to make pumpkins out of these buttons and put them in these frames. So I bought these frames from the Dollar Tree a while back. I was trying to replace some frames that got broke in our living room and realized that I bought the wrong size frames. So you can't really return anything to the Dollar Tree. So I've been holding on to them until I thought of a project. But you could do this project as a pre-loved project by buying any frames you see at the thrift store and doing what I am doing today. So let's get started. I'm starting by removing the picture that they had in the frame with the glass. I won't be needing those for today's project. I am instead going to use this, and I'll cut this paper and I will use this as my background for the frame, and then I'll put the buttons on the front to make a pumpkin. Okay, now that I have them where I think I want them, I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue them onto the back of this paper. Okay, so I hot glued the buttons down, and now I want to add a stem. And so I'm gonna do a lace stem, and I think I'm gonna make it kind of looped like that. And I'm going to hot glue this down. So I had bought some dresses for a wedding bouquet pre-loved project I put together, where I made it out of fabric florals from different clothing I'd bought at the thrift store. And these little jewels were part of one of those dresses. So that dress I'd bought is really, I'm getting my money's worth out of that. So I'm gonna try to clip these off so that I can, they're just perfect fall colors. I'm gonna add it to the frames because I think it will just give it a nice extra touch. And here they are. That was a pretty quick and easy project to do, and I think they turned out really cute. I really think those jewels definitely added another touch to it. You could also, if you wanted to, use some like string to make the lines of the pumpkin, or you could hand draw them onto the paper itself, or you could do some lettering and add a little phrase. But these were fun and I enjoyed making them. I hope you guys liked it. And if you make your own, please post your pictures and tag me. I'd love to see them. Until next time, bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.